Now let's start one question based on your concept, that is shortest distance between two lines, and that is from your pre-YQs, okay, 2024. Hello everyone, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics faculty at PLUTUS STEM. So today we'll discuss one more important topic for your JEE Mains, which is the shortest distance between two lines in three-dimensional space, okay. So let us start with this. Let's say we have one line, that is L1, let's say, and this is some R vector is equal to something A vector plus some lambda times B vector, and second line is, let's say, L2, that is R vector is equal to some C vector plus some mu times D vector, okay, where lambda and mu are what? Lambda and mu are the parameters, and L1 means that L1 line passes through the point A whose position vector is A vector and parallel to the vector which is B vector. Similarly, L2 is a line which passes through a point whose position vector is C vector and parallel to what? Parallel to the D vector, okay. So sir, here you can say where lambda and mu are the, where lambda and mu are the parameters, okay. So sir, we have to find what? We have to find the shortest distance between these two lines. So the formula will be, formula is what? The formula is shortest distance between L1 and L2 is, that is a C vector minus A vector, okay, dot B cross D vector, okay, C vector minus A vector dot B cross D vector, divided by what? Divided by mod of B cross D vector, okay. Since we know this is a distance, so we can say that is a positive quantity, so I am taking the modulus of whole thing, okay. So whenever you have line L1 and L2, lines L1 and L2, R vector is A plus lambda B and R vector is equal to C plus mu D, where lambda and mu are the parameters. So you can say shortest distance between these two lines will be what? C vector minus A vector dot B cross D divided by mod of B cross D vector, okay. So now sir, if you are given with what? If you are given with this equation in Cartesian forms, okay. So let's say your lines are in this format. Let's say L1 is x minus x1 divided by A1, okay, is equal to y minus y1 divided by A2 B1, okay, is equal to z minus z1 divided by, you can say, C1, and second is x minus x2 by A2 is equal to y minus y2 divided by B2 is equal to z minus z2 upon C2. Okay, you can derive from here. You can say, sir, in Cartesian, let's say in Cartesian form, you can say C is what? You can say this line, this point having the position vector, let's say x1, y1, z1, yes, x1, y1, z1, and this is, you can say this point is x2, y2, z2, yes. You can say this B vector is what? That is a1i plus b1j plus c1k, and you can say D is what? That is, sir, a2i plus b2j plus c2k cap, okay. So you can say, sir, now line L1 passes through the point x1, y1, z1 and parallel to the vector a1i cap plus b1j cap plus c1k cap. Similarly, L2 line is what? Passes through the point x2, y2, z2 and parallel to the vector, that is a2i plus b2j plus c2k cap, okay. So when you just simplify it, okay, I am just writing here, you can say when you just simplify, you can say, sir, C minus A, C vector minus A vector, if you write, that is what? That is x2 minus x1, okay, I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Okay. And next is what? Next is your B vector. That is, sir, B vector is equal to AI, A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. Similarly, you can say D vector is what? D vector is A2 I cap plus B2 J cap plus C2 K cap. Okay. Now just put the formula in this. C minus A, C vector minus A vector dot B cross D vector. Okay. So now just, okay, you are given with the lines x minus x1 by A1. How can you get it? You can say, sir, when you just simplify, when you take on this side, so R vector minus A vector is R, you know, that is general point, xi plus yj plus zk cap. So I component will be x minus x1. Here I component is A1. J component is y minus y1, that is B1. Next is z minus z1, that is C1. So you can say when you calculate the lambda, so you will get what? Lambda is equal to x minus x1 by A1, y minus, you can observe here, x minus x1 by A1, y minus y1 by B1, z minus z1 by C1. Okay. Similarly, for the second line, you can say x minus x2 divided by A2 is equal to y minus y2 divided by B2 and z minus z2 divided by C2. Okay. So this is the Cartesian form, you can say. Okay. Now, sir, shortest distance, just calculate B cross D and take the dot product with C vector minus A vector. Okay. So I am calculating B cross D here. So now, sir, I am just calculating B cross D, that is, sir, I cap, J cap, K cap, and this is A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, okay, and this thing is B1 C2 minus C1 B2, okay, I cap, you can say, sorry, yeah, I cap, B1 C2 minus C1 B2 minus J cap into A1 C2, okay, A1 C2 minus C1 A2. So I am using the minus sign here. So C1 A2 minus A1 C2 plus K cap, that is A1 B2, A1 B2 minus A2 B1, okay, that is K cap. Now, sir, if you take the C vector minus A vector dot B cross D, that is what? X2 minus x1 into this, okay, plus similarly, or you can write in the determinant form, yes, determinant form, dot product. So x2 minus x1 into this. So you can replace I with what? X2 minus x1, yes, J. Next is what? Y2 minus y1. So you can replace y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and you can say this is what? A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, yes, okay. So that is what? C minus A dot B cross D, okay. And now modulus of B cross D, you can calculate it, square of this plus square of this plus square of this and whole under root. That is the mode of B cross D. So you can find what? You can find the shortest distance between L1 and L2 is, that is, determinant x2 minus x1, A1 A2, y2 minus y1, B1 B2, z2 minus z1, C1 C2, okay. That is the numerator, C minus A dot B cross D divided by modulus of this, that is under root over, or you can say, if you write the modulus, so you can say I, J, K, okay, and next is what? You can say A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, that is B cross D. You have to find the modulus, So you can say, sir, that is the modulus of that vector. Okay, and you can say distance is positive, so taking the whole modulus. Okay, so that is the formula for what? Formula for the shortest distance between your two lines L1 and L2 if they are skew lines. Yes, so you can say shortest distance between L1 and L2 is what? X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1, Z2 minus Z1, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2. IJK, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2. Find this vector, take the modulus, modulus means take the magnitude and then whole modulus, which tells you what? Because why we are taking it? Because distance is always a positive quantity. Okay, so that's the formula. Clear? So very important concept. Every time you have one question based on your shortest distance between two lines. Okay, so you can say whenever you are given in the vector form, so shortest distance is C minus A dot B cross D upon B cross D. You can remember this one only. Okay, but if you don't want to do any kind of, you can say, struggle to convert this into this, so just remember that one also. Okay, just X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1, Z2 minus Z1, A1 B1 C1, second row, A2 B2 C2, that is the third row. Okay, and take the determinant of it. In the denominator, take I, J, K and these vectors A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2. Okay, so this is what? This is your shortest distance between your two lines. Now let's start one question based on your concept, that is shortest distance between two lines, and that is from your pre-YQs, okay, 2024. So question is, find the shortest distance between these two lines. Okay, so first of all, you can say, sir, x1 is what? X1 is 3 here. Y1 is what? Y1 is minus 7. Z1 is 1. A1 is 4. B1 is minus 11. And C1 is equal to 5. Similarly, sir, you can say x2 is equal to 5. Y2 is equal to 9. Z2 is equal to minus 2. A2 you can say 3. B2 you can say minus 6 and C2 you can say 1. Okay. Now, sir, just calculate what? Just calculate the numerator part. That is x2 minus x1, which is 2. Y2 minus y1, that is 16. Z2 minus z1, that is minus 3. A1 B1 C1, that is 4 minus 11. 4 minus 11, 5. A2 B2 C2 is 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 and 1. Okay. So when you simplify it, you will get what? 2 into minus 11 plus 30. Okay, minus 11 plus 30 minus 16 into, that is what? 4 minus 15. Yes, and plus minus 3 into, that is minus 24 plus 33. So just calculate it. You can say, sir, this is 19 into 2, that's 38 plus minus that is minus 11 and minus 16. So you can say multiplication will be minus 176, so minus minus plus. Okay, and this is minus, this is 9 into 3, that's 27. So when you calculate it, so you can say this is 38 minus 27, 11, and that is 176, so 187. Got it? Now next thing is what? Next thing is just calculate your B cross D. Okay, now B cross D, if you calculate it, so B cross D you can say that is I, J, K, and this is 4 minus 11, 5, 3 minus 6 and 1. Yes, so simply you can say I cap into what? I cap into minus 11 into 1 and minus 6 into minus 6 into 5. Okay, so that is the same thing, 19. Okay, 19. So you can say this is 19 I cap, and 4 minus 15, minus 11 and minus minus plus. So you can say, sir, plus 11 J cap, and this is minus 24 plus 33, that is plus 9 K cap. Okay, the same thing, I, J and K. Just put like I, J and K. So this is 19I plus 11J plus 9K cap. Okay, so sir, when you calculate the mode of B cross D, so that will be under root over 19 square, that is 361, plus 11 square, that is 121, plus 9 square, that is 81. So when you simplify it, and this is what? 202 and 563. Okay. So finally you can say my distance between two lines is this divided by this, modulus of this. Yes, modulus of this one. So you can say that is 187 by root 563. 187 by root 563. So it means B is what? B is the final answer for this. Okay. So very important concept, the shortest distance between two lines. Okay, in 2025, which are memory based questions. Okay, uh, in your papers you have question based on the shortest distance between two lines. So okay, so just remember the formula and solve your question like this. Okay, in the next video we will discuss what? We will discuss some other concept, and for this video that's enough. Thank you everyone.